Morning everyone, or good afternoon everyone, depending when you view this video. My name is Anton Krono, and I'm sure by now you know that I've been dealing with e-filing for very many years. I'll be presenting a new webinar this year in February, and we'll be doing a few webinars this year. So without further ado, let me give you an overview of what I'm going to be covering. The first webinar is going to cover what's new on e-filing. What can I do under my profile, the functions and usage of the user tab, how to use the organizations tab and returns tab. So essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each tab main directory that's available or that's visible on e-filing, and I'm going to go into it and we're going to break it down in nuts and bolts and have a look on the left hand side what's under the subdirectory, and I'm going to go into each subdirectory item. Obviously, I'm going to open the floor then to some general questions and answer session. I would love you to keep that to a general questions rather than specific technical questions on e-filing. But I'm sure when we get to it, we can see how we can actually deal with your questions as easily and as professionally as possible on the forum that we have. Alternatively, I will obviously give you my contact details so that we can engage each other on a different platform. So guys, yes, join me, come and have a listen. I'm going to break down the nuts and bolts of e-filing tab by tab and subdirectory by subdirectory. Thanks very much. Hope to see you soon.